For me, Collagen Restore is a miracle cream. I won't use any other luxury brand cream because there's no need to. I will always have Collagen Restore. So I've been coming to your clinic for quite a while, and I knew about your products because you started to introduce them. I was using a luxury brand at the time, and I had my eye on Collagen Restore. My 40th birthday approached, my husband treated me, and day one of application of the product, I must admit I could already see a difference in my skin. It was smoother, it was brighter. Day two application, it was definitely starting to firm up. And then it just got better from there. I was blown away by how quickly the results came for me. I've actually tried Morpheus 8 at the clinic as well. The results were incredible. It was about a year and a half ago, and I started to feel that the results of it was slightly weaning around my jawline. When I started using this product, I could feel that my jaw was tightening again, and the results of Morpheus 8 were kind of restored. I'm not a gushy kind of person. I don't tend to go on about things, but I do feel this is genuinely a great cream. Like I say, the results for me came after a day or two, and then they just got better. My skin tends to be quite oily, and I find that it doesn't make my skin greasy. It dries within moments, so I can put my makeup straight on. I tend to not have any foundation anymore because I feel this cream has brightened my skin and smoothed it out. So I don't really have any need for foundations anymore. There's no scent to it, which I actually really like, so you know it's just all really good products. You know, there's no perfume being used on your skin. All round, it's been absolutely brilliant. I genuinely won't use any other product. So thanks, Dave.
Brilliant, thanks.